So good afternoon, everyone. Greeting from Bangkok. I'm in Bangkok now. Welcome to the Good Start Challenge webinar. I am Nani Zulminarni, Ashoka Southeast Asia Regional Director. What will be the first things in your mind if you're hearing about care work? Probably women's work, unpaid and easy peasy work, right? At my 60 plus age, I can conclude that care work, especially for children under 5, is the most important but also most challenging work at the same time for several reasons. First, it is about building strong foundations of human being at their golden age. It requires multi-dimension prime quality of caregivers, including physical, mental, spiritual, intellectual, and skills, as well as innovation and creativity. Imagine if caregivers do not have the best version of themselves. We will lose opportunity to produce best next generation leaders, change makers in the world. And the second, it is unpaid or low paid work with long working hours. Therefore, not many people willing, able, and consistently doing it. Third, it is gendered. Women, where women traditionally become the main responsible person to do the work, despite all constraints, limitations they have. In many countries of our regions, women's education level is lower than men, and women have less access to information, technology, and knowledge resources. But they have huge and most important tasks, which is taking care of the children. Consequently, women's human development index in our region considered low, and their well-being is not supported. In Ashoka, we believe that everyone is a change maker. We witness, despite all the challenges and limitations, caregivers, particularly women, try their best, explore their creativity and innovation to do the care work. They develop different scenario and strategy to respond to the challenges they face, including disaster, poverty, as well as their lack of capacity, knowledge, and resources. However, caregivers do not get sufficient systemic support, which in long run will affect their well-being, and furthermore, the people they care, including children and elderly. Ashoka, in collaboration with its fellow in Indonesia, has launched a family change-making movement, or in Indonesia language we call as Gaharu Keluarga, several years back to promote two things. First is a system change on care work, particularly at family level, where we demand government, the authority, the policymakers to treat care work as work that have equal values and appreciation as other type of works, and have public services access for taking care of their well-being. And second is the frame change, transformation of perspective, mindset, and values, where care work for children under 5 actually responsible for everyone, since it is most important stage of life of a human being. This care work have to be supported with multidimensional professionals, including in the field of biological, psychological, social, emotional, intellectual, and many others professions. We are super excited in these collaborations with the Good Start Challenge, as we believe that we will meet change maker in this field who will inspire us and can strengthen our movement to build better society for all, starting from the family. So in this discussion webinar, we will listen, we probably listen several resource person who dedicated their life to work in this field as practitioners, experts, and organizers. And hopefully we can learn so much from the importance of these works and the challenge they face, and how can they navigate the challenge they face with good work for better for all. So thank you for the contributors to these discussions, and of course the participant for the Good Start Challenge. Wish you all the best. Thank you.